I'm going to go over a small little LED headlamp strip. I want y'all to check this thing out. I had just got this in. I did use it and test it out to see how it worked, and it worked awesome. So let me show you guys exactly what you get. You open it up here. It kind of has a little bit of instructions over it. And just going over the instructions, it's 350 lumens. Charge time is 2.5 hours for get a fully charged. It's impact resistant. It's IPX4 certified. And the coolest thing is it has motion detecting turning on and off. Running time is about 2.5. So the max batteries is 330 milliamp battery. It's got the wave induction on it, and I will show you that 350 lumina headlamp strip. Put the instructions aside. You're going to get a little USB-C cable. And then if you're wondering what these are, these hook onto a helmet. So if you got like a hard hat or some sort of like bicycle helmet, you can run it around right there. And it comes in this little hard shell case. How cool is that? Looking over it here, I'm going to show y'all the actual unit. I like the quality of this. It's like a rubberized coating with an elastic band, and to adjust it, you're just going to slide it right back here like that, and that's how you tighten it up. And then it's on this little ring right here, and this feels very premium and soft right there. So let's go ahead and turn the unit on. Mash that, the power button, it turns it on once, and look at that front strip. Is that not awesome? Looking at that. Hit it one more time, turns it off, on. Front strip, now that's a low. Hold it down. You got a red, check that out. That's red, so if you want to keep from like your night vision, then hit it one more time. You got a spotlight. How cool is that? You got a spotlight here on the side. So you hold it down. If you hold a long press, it has this like flashing red light. That would be great for jogging or like bicycling or something like that. All right, so let me go ahead and click over to some nighttime and show y'all what this looks like at night, because I really want to see how these things look at night before I make my final verdict on this thing, because so far it looks awesome here in the daytime. So let's switch over to nighttime. There's the actual like strip itself. I'm going to put it right here on this fence. You can see how it lights up right there when you mash the power button once, a low, and then hold down the power button, and you get this red blinking light. But then check this out. Turn it on like that, and then hit this little button over here on the side, and then you'll see right here it's red and it's green. Watch this. I'm waving my hand in front of it. Watch this. It turns itself off. It's got motion sensor on it. You see that little light right there? Watch. I am not mashing the button at all. Is that not awesome? That's really cool that it does that. You can see how the spot works. Decent little spot. You know, it's not super bright, but it works good enough. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's the motion sensing LED spotlight. See you guys in the next video.